strap hoist. We're looking at the fiberglass handle right here. That's an important feature because you want to use it on conductive material. But like Larry said, never trust a fiberglass handle on a strap hoist. Make sure you have all your IPE done, and don't trust it or you'll be deader than hell. Next, we're going to look at the interlocking pause system. You can see that right there with the latch underneath. And there's also a selector right beneath the latch that loosens it or tightens it. Now we're looking at the manual reel. You use that to tighten it by hand, which you'll see used. We also have the latching hook for the center. I put that on the conductor to make sure everything stays straight. And then you have the latching hook at the very end that will connect to the parallel jaw grip, which you will see now. This parallel jaw grip, let's go over this for a bit because it's a very important tool. Show this video here of how to use it. You just pull that little lever right there to tighten it around the conductor and close that latch shut to keep it from falling off the conductor. It's pretty easy to use. You're going to connect your latching hook to that lever end that has an opening, and I'll show you that a little later in the video. And that's really it. That's the parallel jaw grip. And as you can see, there's different types of jaw grips. Some jaw grips can damage the conductor, so you have to be very selective about which one you use. So that is the parallel jaw grip. So let's go to this video where I show you how to set up a strap hoist line. You have the parallel jaw grip on one side of the conductor, and you can see on my left, your right, a dead end clamp that also has an opening on it. So I'm going to connect the latching hook to the dead end clamp. Put that right there. Then what you have is the latching hook in the middle on the conductor, and then the latching hook at the very end connected to the parallel jaw grip. And here I'm just showing you how everything's connected and how the straps are loose. Now in this situation, if the conductor wasn't tight enough through the dead end clamp, we would tighten this up, release those bolts at the top, and then pull the wire through a little bit tighter and then tighten it back down. So now I'm going to show you how to use the manual reel to tighten the strap hoist. And that you want to do that rather than using the handle, because you can get a lot more strap through quickly. And then let me make sure I have the right selector on. To tighten it, you just click it down like that, and you can see how the wire is starting to bow up. So then I press the selector to loosen the strap after I was done with everything I needed to do. Bring it forward, and you just click it forward, and then the strap comes loose. Now you probably noticed that funny little editing in the video there. I had messed up using it before, so this was me actually using it right, where the first time it was I didn't know what I was doing. And that's really about it. So now we're going to take a look at it from close up, and I'm doing this one-handed, so show me a little bit of grace. So there's your latching hook, there's your dead end clamp, and I'm showing you these nuts. Those would be the nuts that you would loosen if you wanted to get that conductor tighter. There's your reel, there's your selector switch for if you wanted to loosen or tighten it. And I'm showing you the selector switch on the other side. And now I'm going to use the manual reel in a second, and showing you that the straps are loose and how everything's connected. Just a different perspective, that's all. So while holding the camera in one hand and using the manual reel on the other, tighten that strap up. Then I select the correct position for the selector, which I did not do, so I gotta try again. And then I'm gonna crank this guy down. And I'm doing this from the ground too, because since I am a novice, it was just easier to do this video from the ground than it is in hooks or such. So now you can see that it's nice and tight, and if I needed to change the grip on that conductor, I could just open that up and pull the wire tighter. and then tighten it back down. So now to loosen it, I just reverse that selector position and crank the fiberglass handle forward. It loosens the strap. Just like so. So then I can disengage the parallel jaw grip and the latching hook, and then you're done. I hope that helped. The first time I used a strap hoist, or even saw one, I was totally dumbfounded. So I hope this helps whoever comes behind me. Thank you very much for watching the video, and have a great day.